Hi, I'm Tom, and welcome to Alley Picked, where I love to go through people's alleys, find things that they throw away, things that are no longer useful to them, but repurpose them, upcycle them, make them useful again, like today's quick project. This was a very nice medicine cabinet in somebody's home. Apparently, they didn't need it anymore and threw it out in the alley. It's very good quality. The wood is great hardwood. I hate to see stuff like this crushed between the jaws of a garbage truck. So my plan is to take this, rotate it 90 degrees, add a few more shelves, and use it to store boxes of nails and screws just like this. So in just a couple of hours, this thing is going to be back in use. Clearly, you can do this with any size medicine cabinet, but of course the amount of storage you're going to have will greatly vary. This is a piece of pine I found in the garbage a couple weeks ago. It was much wider than this, but it was badly warped, so I cut that part off and pitched it. But this is what was left. It's not perfect, but it'll be good enough for 3 shelves on the medicine cabinet. Beautiful. After fiddling around with the shelf spacing, I decided to leave the original 2 shelves. It made more sense giving the spacing size to have spray can and nail and screw box storage. This is one of the quickest upcycling flips that I've ever done. It holds 30 cans of paint and 42 boxes of screws. Now, I could have painted this, but the wood's in perfect condition. It looks great just like it is. Now, when this thing is full, it's going to be pretty heavy. So you're going to want to mount this with a couple of screws that go into the studs on the wall. Medicine cabinet turned into a shop storage cabinet in about 1 hour. And this is today's quick project.